Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next Fabfitfun Triple Crown battle with Reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten reviews. That's right, it's already time to do this again. We are going to open our fall 2023 customized box that we have each purchased and picked out our own items, and we are going to see who is the queen. Now you can tell by my attire that I am currently the reigning queen. I did not get bumped off. Yay! Thank you, I'm so glad you liked my summer box. But today it's a whole new story. We are going to present the fall, and you are going to rank us, and you are going to decide who is the new queen. Now, in order to do this, we always ask you to watch all of our videos and then come back and tell us who's the queen. And for fun, we like for you to rate our boxes 1 to 10 based on your uses, what you think. That part is not really competitive. It's more of just a fun part to do that you can tell us how we did on our choices. But this is my box. It is the fall 2023 Fabfitfun, and it's, I guess, pumpkin glory. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. Fabfitfun. So yeah, we're going to have our box and we're going to open it up. This is a pretty good size box. Now I will have my 20% off link down in my description if you're interested in subscribing to Fabfitfun. It is a quarterly lifestyle box, and an annual membership is $219, and you get to choose all your customs 1 through 6, and or you can be a quarterly member, and a quarterly member gets billed quarterly at $69.99. It is free shipping, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. And in the edit sales, it's also free shipping usually. So they do have some great perks, and you can check all those out. But you are billed quarterly if you decide to go for the quarterly billing cycle, and you get to customize 4 choices. This one I got to customize the whole thing. I'm not going to go through all the customizations on this. I'm just going to show you what I picked, and I'm going to try to guess which customization it was in, and we're just going to go from there. Get my little paper out of here. Here's a sneaky peek of my box, and I will tell you I got another scratch off, and they've been kind of hard to scratch off. As you could tell, I was using a razor blade and still having trouble getting it. But I was not the instant winner. It says, sorry, Charlie, more or less. And then, of course, none of these matched as far as the colors go. I had plenty of all the colors, just none of them that matched all together. So I didn't win, and I don't know if anybody ever wins. They never tell us. And then here is another 18 free meals from HelloFresh, and there is the code if you would like to participate in that. You're perfectly welcome. And in this box, they sent us some Ricola throat bombs. You know, Ricola. So yeah, it soothes and protects everyday throat irritation, and it's caramel flavor. And I think I'll like using that. So I have 2 now, because I do have another customization that I've already presented, and I'll put that video up there so you can take a look at it if you're interested. But let's move on. Now remember, you're going to look at all of our items, and you are going to determine who is the queen. And of course, we know I'm the reigning queen for the last 2, the spring and summer. So let's see how I did on the fall. This is category number 6, and what I picked was the blanket. This was the short stories travel blanket, and it was in ruby wine. And I do not remember the price of it, but I want to say it was around $60. I can tell you this is very, very soft, and I'll try to find a price and put it up there on the screen. But this is very, very soft, and it's by Short Stories, and it's a travel blanket that you can take with you in your car. You can take it on the airplane with you, or the train if you're riding by train. And it's very soft, and it would be very cozy as well as soft. And it's huge, and I don't know if it's going to tell me how big it is, but it's going to be really big. And guys, it's really soft, and it's really kind of heavy, and I'm going to keep it in this little bag so I can toss it in my car. You know, these kind of blankets are good to have in your trunk of your car, especially in the wintertime, because you know, you never know if you might be stalled in traffic, you run out of gas, or just something happens and you just need something to keep warm. It's not a bad idea to keep that. Matter of fact, I think they tell you to keep a few things in your car just in case it was to break down, like a flashlight and things like that. and a blanket would be a good thing to have. Now in my customization next, it is going to be number 5, and this was a $25 value, and it's by Darling Spring. It's a salt and pepper shaker set ensemble. So let's take a look at this and see what it looks like. It's a charming addition to any holiday table. These adorable salt and pepper shakers add a fun, unique touch to your tablescape. Oh, and I wasn't expecting this. They're 2 different colors. Okay, you've kind of got a light sage, maybe olive green color here that's solid. And then you've got the cream on top for pepper. And then we have their logo, and it's like a creamy color with the little sage colored dots on there. So that's very cute. I like that. It's very fashionable and would make a great housewarming gift. So let's go on to customization number 4. In customization number 4, I got the cozy socks. They're the Puttis over-the-knee socks. They're a $25 value. And it says, whether you're cozy on the couch or styling your fall fits with these over-the-knee socks, they're the best wardrobe staple for chilly weather. And they had a $25 value. And guys, these are super soft. I don't know if it tells us what they're made out of, but it's sweater socks, and it doesn't say. It just says it's a lifestyle fits shoe size 6 to 10, and I'm going to tell you they're extremely soft. Those will be comfortable and for sure would keep you warm in the wintertime. Wow, and they're really long. Look at that. Very, very nice, and I like the cream color. Okay, and what I chose in category number 3 was the Living Proof Smoothing Boar Bristle Hairbrush. And guys, this has a $45 value. It says, we've always been on the lookout for the perfect hairbrush, and this boar bristle brush has made it to the top of our list. The bristles help spread hair oils through the scalp down to the ends, leaving your locks looking shiny and minimal breakage. It's the #1 trick of those slick back buns that you've seen all over TikTok. P.S. No boars were harmed in the making of this brush, and again, it was a $45 value. Wow, and I like the back side of that. Isn't that cool? It looks like marbly like, so it's really nice. And let's see how it does on the locks. Oh yeah, it feels good. Yeah, I'm going to like that. So that was my category number 3. In number 2, I picked the Timberland Buffalo Plaid Scarf. And guys, this had a $60 value. It says, your wardrobe just got a fall makeover. Scarf season will soon be upon us, and we couldn't be happier. Look cute and stay warm as the weather turns chilly. With this 110 degrees that we're going to have today, and we've been having, it's going to be hard to think about putting on a sweater of any kind, much less a scarf. But isn't that pretty? And it's really nice. It has the buffalo plaid, of course, got their logo on there, and it just ends with some cream. This will pair well with a t-shirt like I have on and a pair of jeans. You can dress it up, of course, and it'll look fantastic. And again, that was a $60 value. So very nice. Do y'all like that color? I think it's kind of looks nice. It's like between a pumpkin and an acorn or something. And then my customization number 1 was in this box, and it's called Our Place. This is a set of 2 tinted wine glasses, and there's a 2-tone colors are solid. It's a $50 value, and let's see which color I chose. They've got them wrapped up very nice. So whether you're entertaining or cuddling up on the couch, these warm neutral tones will be your new favorite way to serve up your favorite wines for fall-inspired mocktails. Pro tip, use the different colors as a drink marker to keep track of your beverage. And of course, that's exactly what I got them for, because you know, Laura comes over and we both like to drink wine. Now it says we could have a mocktail in it, but we also like to drink wine. And these guys are very nice. They're very heavy. As you can tell, I got the 2-tone, and this stem has the wine-colored stem, and this has the more amber look, and then we've got the rose look here and the amber on the end. These are very nice, guys. These are very well made. It has Our Place down there on the bottom, and the stems are just the right size. I'm really happy with my choices. So are you happy with my choices? What do you think? Am I the queen? Did I make another great box choice? Am I the winner or am I not? That is up to you guys. I can't wait to find out what y'all decide. And y'all are very good about sending comments and coming back and letting us know who won, and we so do appreciate it. And there is going to be a giveaway, so hang on tight. But before we get to it, hey guys, let's go over what I got in my box. I got the salt and pepper shakers by Darling Spring. I got this beautiful buffalo scarf. I got these wonderful socks that are going to ironically kind of match, I think. Oh yeah, that's going to be cute. Could get me a cute little outfit with that. I got my wonderful new brush, and I think that is just a beautiful brush. And I got the blanket that I can take for travel. You could even use this at home on the sofa or at your bed or whatever. But this is really good for traveling. It's all set up for that. And I got my beautiful wine glasses. Okay, so let me know. Those are my 6 items. What is your favorite out of these? I think they were some good choices. What do you think? I think my favorite's going to be the wine glasses. These are just beautiful. I don't know if you can really see or tell the colors in these, but they are just absolutely gorgeous and great quality. So the wine glasses are going to be my favorite. If I was to pick a second favorite, I think it's going to be this hairbrush, because I'm kind of interested in seeing how well it works and performs. And I love the decor on it. It is just so fashionable. It looks like marble on there. But anyway, those were my 6 choices. Be sure and rate me down below. Also, come back and tell me who is the queen of the next Fabfitfun Triple Crown battle. Now, for the giveaway, you must be 18 years or older. You must be publicly subscribed to Reviews with Sue, Laura Wooten Reviews, and Miss Jackie Russell. And you must have an address within the Continental USA, and the post office will deliver this. And YouTube and our Fabfitfun or any of these brands mentioned are not affiliated with this in any way. I am not responsible if the postman breaks it or loses it, but I will send you a shipping notice. And I can't think of anything else. All the other rules will be down in the bottom. This will be open for 2 weeks starting from today. So 2 weeks, and I will have all those details down in my description. But what is in the giveaway? Okay, well, the first thing that you're going to get, since we're getting into fall, you're going to get these little ghost and pumpkin goblin clip. It is a hair clip, guys. This is just super adorable and so cute. So you're going to get that. So that's the first item in my giveaway. The next item you're going to get is a liquid glow. And guys, this is by Satin Luxe. And this is a very nice liquid glow. As you can see, it almost looks rose gold, so it'll be very pretty. So you're going to get that. You're going to get something for your hair, and this is by Gassou, and it's a honey-infused hair oil. Isn't that nice? You're going to get a Super Clay Purify Clear Mask Power Mask by Youth the People. So it looks like this, and I'm going to keep it sealed. You're going to get the Neolacetin. This is a revitalizing and firm eye cream. And you're going to get the Neolacetin Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. And it comes in this little bag, and it's all ready to go. And you're going to get for your body some Earth Harbor Laguna Replenishing Body Serum. And let's see what this looks like. I have not opened it other than just to show it. Oh, it's in that pretty blue. I just really like that. So you can put this all over. It has the marine algae and blue yarrow in it. That's probably where the blue color comes from. And you're going to get a sponge jelly, and this is the Blossom Bliss. Oh, it smells so good. And it does have the little handle on there, so you're going to get that. And then lastly, but not leastly, you're going to get the Hera Ditto palette, and it probably means hero, but this is the palette. This is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? It's like a warrior princess, and it's got a mirror on here. But guys, look at this palette. That's going to take you through fall and winter. And even now, it's got all the different colors that you can use. It's got, looks like a glitter. It may even have a duochrome in there. I'm not sure. But it's definitely got glitters. And of course, you got all those mattes. But isn't that beautiful? So you'll receive that as well in this giveaway. And guys, that is my giveaway. What word do you have to use for this one? In this one, you need to use the word wine. W-I-N-E, since the wine glasses were my favorite in this Fabfitfun 2023 customized box. So use the word wine in a sentence and you will be entered into this giveaway. Now guys, that's basically all I have, and the only thing left now is to determine if I get to wear this crown or not. Am I the queen? Did I produce and pick out a good enough box to be queen for a third time? I don't know. You know, you let me know. I can't wait to see what y'all think. I can't wait to see Sue's and Laura's box, because who knows? And I don't know if we duplicated anything or not. We all had our own choices. We picked them, and then now we're all seeing what we picked based on our individual taste and likes. So that's all I have today for the Fabfitfun Triple Crown Battle, and it's all up to you now. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.